Welcome to Pro Webcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Tuesday, September 29th, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Paul Wilson. Today's news is sponsored by Sunderland Group, your success, our tradition. For more information, please visit www.sunderlandgroup.com. Now for today's headlines. CEOs in the U.S. are not yet ready to increase hiring or capital spending, although most believe sales will rise over the next 6 months, according to a recent survey by Business Roundtable. The survey found that 40% expect to reduce jobs in the U.S. over the next 6 months, while just 13% expect to add them. Meanwhile, 35% plan to lower U.S. capital spending, while just over 21% expect to increase it. In addition, 51% of respondents said they expect their company's sales to increase over the next 6 months. In related news, a recent quarterly survey of investment professionals finds that the majority of money managers are bullish on the technology sector. The Investment Manager Outlook, which surveys nearly 300 institutional money managers, found that 78% of respondents are bullish on the technology sector, up from 75% 3 months ago. According to Mark Ewell, Director of Client Investment Strategies, quote, "Technology is now seen as an all-weather area, or even a kind of defensive position, which is quite different from the way investors viewed tech stocks 10 years ago," unquote. Overall, the survey hints that while money managers remain cautious when it comes to the stock market, the healthcare sector also saw an increase in bullish support, growing to 56% for the quarter from 44% 3 months ago. Meanwhile, the percentage of respondents who believe U.S. stocks are fairly valued increased to 54% from 44% last quarter. Finally, those who feel the stock market is undervalued declined to 24%, down from 38% in the previous survey. In housing news, home prices in the U.S. rose for the third consecutive month in July, exceeding analysts' expectations and hinting at stabilization in the industry. The S&P Case-Shiller Composite Index of house prices in 20 metro areas rose 1.6% in July from the previous month, more than 3 times higher than analysts had predicted. The increase followed a 1.4% rise in June. Each of the 20 metro areas saw improvement in the annual rate of decline compared to the previous month, while on a monthly basis, only Seattle and Las Vegas suffered declines. Meanwhile, S&P said that home prices have fallen 33.5% for their 10-city index and 32.6% for the 20-city index from the high point reached in 2006. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching Pro Webcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.